Hi friends, so today we would be making a paperboard with an A4 origami sheet. So all of us in our childhoods we would have made this and we would have enjoyed in rainy season whenever there is a rain, and we used to make these paperboards to enjoy. Of course we didn't have mobile phones then, so of course we had different things to play, and this used to be one of the best game for us as kids when we used to make these paperboards and then we used to compete. So today let's make these paperboards and again enjoy with your kids. Give it to your kid and let him enjoy. In fact, make two paperboards and see who wins the race. Okay, so let's start. So let's take an A4 origami sheet. Let's keep it like this. Then just pick up from here, match these corners and fold it like this. Just make sure the corners are equal, and you just do it like this. Yeah, just ensure these corners, if you see, these corners are intact. Good. Now just hold it like this. Just make a slight identifier in between here, and then just do it like this and just press it from here to here, right? Ensure that the corners are straight and do not, they are balanced, and do the other side also like this.
Sorry.
Yeah. So once this is done, just ensure. So now the next step is you do this and you just press it like this so that the corners are intact. Just turn it, match the corners, and once again you just press it and ensure that this goes in the straight line. Now if you see, we have got a shape here, and this shape basically is our bottom, which will be downwards in the water like this. Now you hold this and just turn these corners like this, from here to here, from here to here. Just press it and ensure it is given a right shape. Do it for the other two corners also. Just match it and do this here. Turn it, fold these corners also. Yeah, now I am sure you must be seeing that we have started getting a boat like shape. Now just hold this and just slowly just do this. Just match these corners again, press it from here, and just again with your finger or with your thumb, just try and give it a shape. Yeah. So now if you see, you started getting this. Just fold these corners inside so that it holds the shape. Yeah. Now if you see, we have started getting a shape, and we if you actually see, we have got a boat shape. And now if you see, once you hold like this, then the next step is you just simply turn from here to here and give it a shape. Press it from thumb or your finger, whatever works with you. Fold the other side also, inside out, and just shape it. Now if you see, we have got a shape, and just hold your this thing like this and just turn it around. Now this is an important step, and you have to be a little careful when you do it. And just hold it from here and just pull it outside from both the side. So if you actually see, the shape has come out and our beautiful boat is ready. Just try and press these corners a bit so that you get a shape. Yeah, so now this boat is looking very good. Now this you can give to your kids and take water in a bowl or in a tub and then just keep it like this and see whether this is floating or not floating. I hope all of you have liked this quick video on how to make a paper boat, and please subscribe to our channel for more such crafts. Thank you.